Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to overlap two images in Microsoft Word. So first of all, we will run the program window of Microsoft Word. For doing that, button on the bottom of the taskbar and just access the program window of Microsoft Word. Mouse scroll right. Here is the program window. Before going to our main objective, we have to insert some illustrations using insert tab. So go to insert tab on the ribbon. From here we have to move to the illustrations group. It's just below a little right of the insert tab. So from here to insert some illustrations, we are going to click on clip art illustration. Just click on clip art. It will show you a vertical area on the right of the program window. So from here we have to click on go. It will show lots of clip arts. From here I'm going to choose this clip art, and I'm going to choose one more. So you choose anyone from here. I'm going to choose this forklifter. So for inserting the clip art, you click on the down arrow. From here you can see a pop-up window. From here you have to choose the insert. So now we have, from the close button, we have to close this clip art area. Now I want to put this forklifter on this another image. So how can I do this? If I press the mouse button and scroll right, you can see it's not working this way. So how can I do this? So for this purpose I have to click on the forklifter, right click on forklifter, and it will show you the pop-up menu. From here I have to choose the text wrapping, and from here I have to choose the true. So similarly I have to do with the another image, another clip art illustration object. From I have to choose true. So now you can see it's going behind of this second object, but I want it on in front of this. So for this purpose I have to click on this image and right click, and from here I have to choose this send to back. So click on it. You can see I have successfully overlapped the forklifter on the second. Here you can resize the images. You can see I have successfully bring this forklifter on the second image. So dear student, this was the this is how we can overlap two illustration objects or clip arts and images in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.